This is Cole with Laptop Battery Express. In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your MacBook Pro unibody laptop. These specific laptops were made from mid-2009 to mid-2012. If you're unsure when your laptop was made, you can click the Apple icon in the top left of your screen, click About This Mac, and you can find this information in the overview. You can also look on the bottom of your laptop and confirm the model number. The laptop I will be working on is an A1278 model. Before we get started with the replacement, be sure you have the right equipment. This includes a Phillips 00 screwdriver, a Y1 tri-wing screwdriver, and a new replacement battery. A plastic spudger is optional. Batteries from Laptop Battery Express come with a 2-year warranty and include the starred items in one package. To get started with the replacement, remove the Phillips screws from the bottom of the laptop. The 3 screws on the top right-hand side closest to the screen and charge port will be different from the others, so we advise keeping these in a separate location. As you remove the screws, hold the screwdriver at an angle to match the angle of the screws. Please be aware that although this is an easy maintenance replacement, any accidental damage caused by a non-Apple authorized service provider is not covered under an active warranty. Once the cover is off, disconnect your current battery from the laptop by carefully unplugging it from the logic board. This can be done directly by hand or with the aid of a spudger. Without using too much force, simply pull the connector out of the port. Next, locate the 2 screws at the top of the battery. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to take these out, again keeping them separated since they are different. At this point, you should be able to lift the old battery out of the laptop. Take your replacement battery and slide it in the laptop so that it sits under the pins just like your old one did. Plug the new battery into the logic board until it snaps down and replace the tri-wing screws. Finally, replace the cover and its screws, being sure to keep the screws angled as they go in, if necessary. Inserting the screws vertical to the laptop may result in damaged components that are not covered under an active Apple warranty. You are now ready to enjoy your new laptop battery.